We have finished working with the lights and materials. Now we can load more objects. To do this, repeat the steps shown in the video. Click on Content, then Datasmith, and we can select 1-2 sets. Click Content, then OK, and check all the boxes. Everything is loaded. The background appears in the distance. Click on Content, then Datasmith. Load several sets at once. It is possible to load several sets at once. Click on Content, then OK, Import. The sets will be loaded. In the search for a camera, and right-click on the current camera. Click Transform. Lock Actor Movement. Unlock the camera for the offset. Check that the current camera is in the perspective view in the upper left corner and cinematic is displayed. Refine the position of the camera to improve the perspective. Go to Layers. You can turn off for grass and trees, and thus we will have a higher frame rate and you can set the view faster, so you do not have to wait long. With a lot of objects, there is a slowdown. We turn on the layers, adjust the view so that you can see the trees. Let's adjust the position of the camera. Turn off the heaviest layer, the trees. Adjust the view, put the trees back. Once you have set the camera, turn on the layers and adjust the view so you can see the trees. The composition is very important. It is 50% of the success and effectiveness of the picture. You should spend more time on the composition. The light is also very important and we must take the time to adjust it. To do this, we rotate the sun, like in the video. In the search box, we write directional and rotate the picture so that the water has shadows. We rotate the sun to see how its rays pass through the trees. We need to understand now the light works by generating rays volumetric light. We can clearly see the rays and the positions of the sun and the shadows. Unreal is very good at generating the rays of the sun. It is fast compared to volumetric light. In Unreal, the process is faster and of the higher quality. When the position of the light and the camera are done, we highlighted the camera as shown in the video. In the search box, we write Camera and right-click on Transform, then Lock Actor Movement. In this way, we relock the camera. Now we have to do the reflection. Because not all trees are reflected. To do this, we write lumen max trace distance 1 million in the command line. We enter a large value. Now all trees are reflected in water. When you open the project again, all settings will be default. Let's check if it is. When you open the project again, when you load it, all functions will be default and we won't see all trees reflected. In order to fix it, follow the steps shown in the video. Open the config folder, run the default engine. Recall that in the previous lessons we removed the limitation of trees. This line was used to increase the number of displayed trees. In the same paragraph, insert the value we wrote on the command line. Save, close, start project. Now, by default, the trees will be reflected at the maximum amount. Going forward, I'll show you how to improve the reflection. It can be made better.